Can you believe I paid $120 for this private villa only to think it came without a bathroom? Yep, that was me. I found this gem in Canggu, saw the pictures and completely fell for it. A 2-bedroom spot with a huge private pool. The bedroom was massive, with floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors right out to the pool. The kitchen was open and breezy with a killer pool view. I found my favorite spot right away. The sunbathing area was perfect for kicking back, relaxing and even getting some work done. But no bathroom? In this slice of luxury, I didn't want to embarrass myself by asking the hotel staff, so I snooped around. And guess what? The bathroom was hidden in the bedroom, blending perfectly with the wooden wall. Then behind this door. So let's have a look. Bathroom is small, nothing special, but still very nice. I actually like that you have daylight coming in. All amenities that you need, even a nice plant. So it looks pretty cool. Let's see what is inside here. We have a bathroom. They offer laundry service. So yeah, that's the bathroom. What a relief. Hey, I'm Tim. I help people save money by making honest reviews of luxury hotels and destinations. Follow me for more cool places.